All right, 1999 Mercury Cougar. Don't get confused or don't get mistaken. Ford did make this car for a pretty good while, and Mercury took it over. It still has Ford parts as well as Mercury parts, so they're interchangeable. But luckily for this car, you won't need any parts. We got a new starter, new alternator, new belts, what else? Brand new battery. And everything's intact on this car. A few dinks and dings like that. I think that was just a tree that fell on it. There's a little spot on the windshield, and then there's some area back here. But structurally and functionally, this car is absolutely fine. It, as I mentioned, 1999. It was owned by a mother-daughter combo. The daughter attended college. She graduated. They got her a new car. So again, this car is well put together. I'll open it up and go on the inside and let you see it. Here's the passenger side. Very clean. Interior, no dings, no dents, no problems. And look, the sun's reflecting. I'll get another video from the other side. Hatchback on this one, 4-seater, 4-cylinder. As I mentioned, we did get a new alternator, new starter. This thing fires right up. I'll start it here in just a second. This is the interior on the driver's side. No issues at all with this car. It's got a moonroof, does not leak, and also has a hatchback. There are the back seats. Here are the front seats. And this car, if we can zoom in, 78,000 miles original. These are highway miles. This car didn't go anywhere. Here's the hatchback. Plenty of room back here for groceries. I said V4, this is 6-cylinder. I forgot about that. So again, a little bit more power than your 4-cylinder. Definitely a gas saver. It's got your CD player if you choose to play some CDs. You still have them. There's an inside view of the original radio. The shocks on the hatchback are just fine. They don't drop. As you can see, I'm walking away and it's still up. Here's a side view of it. Pretty sleek car. Can't beat it. Gas saver, A to B driver. It has sat since 2023. Last oil change was July 2023. So tells you how recent this car is. It is a Mercury, like I said, and how ironic is that? Carolina Panthers and a Mercury Cougar symbol on the front. This is a Charlotte driven car, Charlotte purchased, Charlotte driven. Highway miles, 78 original. If you're interested in this car, feel free to give me a call. Troy Barzilla. Zillamates, 980-729-4991. 1999 Mercury Cougar, 78,000 miles. And if I didn't mention already, this has brand new tires on it. They were about to send her to grad school, but she did so well they bought her a new car. So they put tires and brakes and everything on it. It sounds good too. I will crank it up here real quick. The additional details will be in the ad. And this video serves a purpose for those that can't come out and see it, but if you want to come see it, just let me know. And let me fire up and let you hear the engine really quick. Like I said, 78,000 original. Cold air conditioning, cold heat, CD plays, radio plays. Transmission is good on this one. All around good car. There is that 6-cylinder. Sounds good, no problems at all. Brand new alternator, brand new starter, new belts, brand new battery. You can't beat this car. Again, Troy Barzilla with Zillamates, 1999 Mercury Cougar. Call if you're interested, 980-729-4991.